Everybody, just a heads up for you here. I'm in Orlando right now. I'm visiting my daughters. What I'm looking for here right now is hotel properties. So they have a little bit of different system over here. They can sell a flat inside a hotel, right? That doesn't happen too much in UK, but here in Orlando, you can buy a small flat, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom apartment inside a hotel or inside a condominium that allows short-term accommodation. So it's a very nice opportunity. If you are looking to invest, you can invest your money here in Orlando and buy 1 flat, 2 flats, 10 flats, and they will all be managed by Innit hotels. There are many advantages of doing that. One is full repair contracts, like we will take care of all the maintenance, we will do all the management, we will actually lease it from you, so you are not to be worried about any management at all. Just collect your lease and that's how you're gonna make your profit. So right now I have hotels here that I'm looking at. It's a 1-bedroom flat for $150,000, which the returns on this investment, the yield on this investment is about 8.5%. Some of those apartments you can have up to 10% yield return on that investment, so I think it's pretty good. Because the price of these properties are not so high, they're just like 150,000. It may be a very good cash buy. So let me know if you are interested, just send me a DM and we can talk about it.